Good morning, 5K. So today we are going to start off with math meeting, just like we always do. Let me turn this a little bit more so that you can see everything. Here we go. My loves, we're going to start with how many days there are in a week. We do this every day because eventually when we come back to school, you are going to have to write it on a test. And so I need you to know how many days there are in school. That's why I ask you every day. Do you remember how many days? Count them with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sing with me. It goes like this. Ready? 5 fingers on one hand, 2 on the other. Sing with me. If you want to stand up and sing this with me too, you can. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome job. Sorry, my singing voice sounds a little weird this morning. My allergies are not good. If yesterday was Sunday, a church day, you see I drew my church here. I was in church yesterday. If yesterday was Sunday, what day comes after Sunday? Sunday. You see an M. M says, it's my favorite letter because it starts my name, Mrs. Barch. Sunday, Monday. Say, today is Monday. Awesome job. I want you to say it while you're at home. Talk to the computer, okay? Do you remember how many months there are in a year? How many months? Don't tell me 7. There's 7 days in a week. How many months are there in a year? If you said 12, you got it right. Here we go. I want you to stand up. So wherever you are, stand up. We're going to do our months of the year song. Eventually, once you learn it, we'll be able to go really, really fast. All right, here we go. We're going to start with January. Ready? Set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Good job. Get your brain. Hopefully you're getting better at it. I'm not going as slow anymore because hopefully you know what to do or you've seen this dance before. My sweets, today is the last day in August. Tomorrow, when you come on and you log on for school, it is not going to be August anymore. So what I want you to do is I'm going to turn this because there are so many days in August that I had to go off the calendar. So my sweets, wow, look at this big number. Our month is still August. This is the last day. Yesterday was this number. Do you know what number this is? It's a big one, a 3 and a 0. Here's my clue. Okay, you ready? The zeros to me always look like cups of tea when you drink tea. And so whenever you see a 0 at the back, you always say tea, like 20 has a 0 at the back. For 10, you don't do that, but for 20, there's your cup of tea. So if that's 20, I wonder what this one is. Let's count to find out. Let's start at 20. Count with me. Ready, set, go. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You can drink your tea. Go. Good job. 30. What would come next? 30. Yes. 31. So if first 30 is a 3 and a 0, 31 is going to be a 3 and a 1. Yeah, because after 0 comes 1. Look, after 20, we went to 21. So after 30, we have to go to 31. Now, 31, I said, was a 3 and a 0, but what shape comes after a square? And give you time to look and think. Just like if we were at school, I'd ask you and I'd let you have time to think. So I'm not going to tell you the answer. What shape comes after a square? A Yes, a circle. Here is 31. A 3 and a 1 makes 31. Say that with me. Ready? Go. A 3 and a 1 makes 31. Good job. I'm going to put 31 up. I need your help writing my date. When we write the date, what do we always write first? We look up here and we always write the month. The month always goes first. So, my sweets, in my month, what letter do I write first in August? Let me turn this for you. What do I write first in August? I write the letter A. Uppercase A or lowercase a? Uppercase. It's a name. It's special. It's important, just like your name. The first letter of your name is a big letter. So this is the name of our month, so it has a big letter. So I'm going to write uppercase A with my very neatest handwriting. I always want to do my best, top to bottom, across in the middle. A. What letter comes next? The one that looks like a smile. The letter U. You got it. So I'm going to start at the top, go down to the bottom, curve back up to this middle line, and pull straight down. A-U together say ah. Ah, g, g, g. What letter says g? The letter G. So I'm going to, my circle, it's just like the ones that we are going to do today. You're going to trace circles today. Later for reading, you're going to go up and around. Okay, so you're going to go up, touch the middle line, around to the bottom, go back up to where you started. See my nice circle? I'm going to push up to the middle line, pull straight down, give it a hook because the little fish is going to come and eat it. G, What letter says Another letter? U. You got it. All right. G, S. What letter says s, like a snake? And the letter S. August. What letter says t? And the letter T. You got it. Am I going to write that tail? No tail. No tails on the T's. All right, say month, check. We got it. All right, after my month, what do I write next? Can I write my year? No. I need to look down here and I need to write the date. I need to write the number. It's great that we know that it's August, but if we don't know the date today, the number, then we don't know what day we are in August. That's why this number is so important. We can't forget it. Oh, what number did we say that was? I remember. See if you can say these numbers with me and if we can think of the number. All right, remember we say a 3 and 1. Okay, ready? Talk to the computer. Say it with me. Ready, set, go. A 3 and a 1 makes 31. All right, so today is August 31st. We don't say 31st. No, 31st. So in the number 31, I make a 3 first. So I'm going to curve up to the top. I'm going to go halfway around to the middle line. Stay right back on the line I just made because I don't want loops in my 3s. I'm going to go halfway around to the bottom. A 3 and a, what number did we say? 1. 3 and a 1 makes 31. I have my month, check. I have my date, check. And now I need a cute little guy. Do you remember what he's called? Comma, say comma. Say cute little comma. Good job. I'm going to make my sideways smile down here on the bottom line. So I have my date, I have my month, check. I have my date, check. I have my comma, check. Now I need my my year. Do you remember? Let me turn you so you can see what my year is. My year is 2020. Yeah, some people call it 2020 because that's what it is, a 20 and another 20. But I want you to say 2020. All right, what number do I write first in my year? We know this one is first because it's all the way on the left. And I know it's the left because my left hand makes an L. Okay, so what number goes first in my year? A 2. Yep. So I'm going to curve around to the bottom, slide to the right, all the way top to bottom, right? What number goes second in my year? A 0. So I'm going to go up to the top, all the way to the bottom. I'm not going to just stop here and go right back because I'm tired of writing. No, I need to go all the way to the bottom and curve back up. All right, first, second. Now I need to know what comes third. First, second, third. What number goes third? Number 3 in line. That's the number 2. So curve around and slide to the right. All right, first, second, third. Now I need the one that comes fourth. First, second, third, fourth. What number's fourth? A 0. All right, I am done with my date, but now I need your help to read it. Are you ready? I want you to grab your microphones and we're going to say, good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is August. You got to remember 31st. Say 31st. Good job. Say it one more time. Say 31st, 2020. All right, you're on the news. Get that froggy out of your throat. I have one for my allergies. And here we go. Good morning in Milwaukee. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is August 31st, 2020. Awesome job, kids. Your brain. I wish I could hear all of your voices in here saying this with me, and you are all on the weather. I would love that. All right, my sweets. Now what I want you to do is look up here for the pattern. We know these numbers, don't we? We practiced writing them. But it's a different pattern today. Don't let me trick you. I love to trick my students. I like to try to. I usually never am able to trick you guys because you're so smart. So look carefully. Don't get tricked. Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Okay. What number is this? 4. This is a 5. This is a 5. This is a 4. All right, you ready? I want you to say it with me. Talk to the computer. Ready? Say the pattern with me. Ready? Set, go. 4, 5, 5, 4. What comes next? Yeah, you can show me with your hand. Hold up that many fingers. What number comes next? 5. So how do I make a 5? Do you remember the song? If you remember it, sing it with me. Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. That's how you make the number 5. All right, my sweets, what would come next? Now, I could just write a 4 because I think that's what comes next. But I don't know if that's right. And I know that I have always told you that smart mathematicians always do what? Yes, double check. So let's double check. Before I write a 4, let's make sure it actually is a 4. Count with me. Ready? Go. 4, 5, 5, 4, 5. Ooh, it wasn't a 4, was it? I was wrong. It's a... I tried to trick you. I knew it was a 5, but I tried to trick you. I told you, don't let me trick you. I need another 5. Sing with me. Ready? Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. Down and around and give it a hat. That's how you make the number 5. Give me a high 5. Ready? Good job. You did great. Let's double check our pattern. Ready? Say it with me. Ready? Set, go. 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5. Say, we did it. We did. All right, my sweets, I need your help. if last week on Friday was day number 5 of school, what number comes after 5? If you don't know, what could you do? You can count. Count with me. What number comes after 5? If you don't know, count. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. Now, I'm going to tell you a little trick. If you didn't know what comes next, you could have looked right up here. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's a 6. Yeah. So, if you were here at school, I would give you a 6, a curly number 6, slant on down and give it a curl just like my hair. And you would come right on up here and put it right after my 5. They're going to go in a nice straight line. Then I would need somebody to come and put on just one more cube because now we have one more day of school. So I have my cubes right here. You would take out 1. You'd put 1 on the top with the chimney going up. Now let's count to see if we actually have 6. Can I start counting at the top? No. I always start at the bottom. So I always touch and count the circles, the little holes, because that way if I touch and count 1, I won't miss 1. Okay, ready, set, count with me, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does it match? Yep, 6 and 6. So I'm going to put this right here. I need to color one more square because it is the 6th day of school. So I am going to color very neatly. I can't wait to see your neat coloring on here next to mine. And now we have to do one more thing because I need them all to match, don't I? 6 matches 6 matches 6. And I also need to write 6 up here. Yeah. All right. I'm going to show you how to make a 6. First, you slant. That means it's going to be kind of a crooked line. Slant on down, and then you're going to give it a curl. I go all the way back. I can't stop there. That looks silly. I have to go all the way back and touch back here, but I'm not going to go through the line because then that would look goofy. All right, we are 6 days in school. All right, my sweets, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon for math and reading. Bye. One more thing, say August 31st. Good job.